Good evening, Varun.
Good evening, Visheshni, and congrats.
I'm sure you've heard the good news about Little Flower being placed fifth in the country in a survey conducted in the 6 metros.
Yes, I also heard that our school stands first in the city of Hyderabad.
Isn't it wonderful that we've also performed well in the Montfort Literary and Cultural competitions held this year at St. Alphonsus High School, Nalgonda?
Yes, indeed, our students have participated in a number of competitions and have won several prizes. Besides that, our students have bagged several prizes in the sports activities too.
This academic year has indeed been a fruitful one. We now have the members of the school cabinet, led by Master Akhilesh Datta, our General Secretary, to present a kaleidoscopic view of the events of the academic year 2011-2012.
The true meaning of life is to plant trees under whose shade you do not expect to sit. Nelson Henders. The theme of the year, Go Green, Save the Earth, inspired us to focus on ecological balance and conservation of trees, which is the need of the hour. The talents of the Little Flowers were nurtured during the academic year, and we take pride in recording the achievements of the academic year 2011-2012. Results. Happiness lies in the joy of achievement, in the thrill of creative effort. In the SSC board examinations conducted in March 2011, we secured 100% results. Out of 185 students who appeared, 97% were placed in the first division. Master A. Rahul secured the highest mark in the school with a total of 578 out of 600. Master P. Arun Shreyas stood second with a total of 570 out of 600. Master A. Chennakeshav Reddy and Miss Kenneth Catherine stood third with a total of 568 out of 600. 25 students got 10% in mathematics, 10 students in science, and 1 student in social studies. It is with a sense of achievement we record that 65% of students secured merit, that is, 85% and above. Kudos to the students and staff for their unstinting effort and commitment. Yet again, our students did us proud. Little Flower continues to find top place in various surveys. The Center for Forecasting and Research conducted a survey on the best schools in India in 6 metros. We are honored to be placed 5th in India and 1st in the city of Hyderabad. Staff. A teacher affects eternity. He can never tell where his influence stops. Henry Brooks Adams. We welcome into the Little Flower family Reverend Brother M. Joseph as our Vice Principal. Miss Maitri, Miss D. Pramila, Miss Rohini, Miss Jennifer Jairaj, Miss Asma Fatima, Miss Sunita Maria, Miss Radha Devi, Miss Fiza Firdos, Miss C. Shamala, Miss Punyavati, Miss K. Pramoda, Miss Sadia Ali, Miss B. Vanaja, Miss Swati Fadke, and Mr. C. H. Ramesh. The academic year began with a seminar conducted by Reverend Brother Yuju Francis from Sampurna Montfort College, Bengaluru, on successful classroom introduction and the key elements of classroom management. He also conducted a half-day workshop on working as a team. Now, Ishita, Shravan, Ibrahim and Dhriti will enlighten you about the activities of the primary section.
Welcome to the world of the tiny tots of the primary section. We are here to present a report of the activities conducted during this academic year. The great aim of education is not knowledge but action. Herbert Spencer. The tender buds of LKG sections stepped into our campus on the 21st of June 2011 after the orientation program for their parents on 28th June 2011. The resource persons were Dr. Swarupa and Dr. Ashish Chauhan. A special assembly was conducted on 15 June 2011 to welcome Reverend Brother M. Joseph, our Vice Principal. Mr. John Bunyan, RPT, retired on 23rd June 2011 after putting in 30 years of service. A warm farewell was organized on 24th June. The principal, teachers and students expressed their gratitude for his dedicated and committed service. An orientation program for the parents of the students of Class 1 was held on 29th June 2011. The guest speakers were Mr. Brett Valentine Soren and Miss Ruth Jennett.
Parent-teacher meetings were held regularly for all the classes. An exhibition of the project work of all the students was held on the day. Reports were distributed after the quarterly examinations, that is 29th October 2011. Several co-curricular activities were organized and the students participated with zeal and good preparation. The students also participated in the Macmillan Private Limited and the EduLanet competitions.
In spite of the busy academic schedule, our students participated in the Literary Week competitions and walked away with several prizes. Some of the first prizes for the competitions were given on the occasion of Children's Day. Now, Miss P. Visheshti, our school pupil leader, girls, will give you a review of the parent-teacher meetings.
Parent-teacher meetings. Don't judge each day by the harvest you reap, but by the seeds you plant. Robert Louis Stevenson. Periodic parent-teacher meetings were held to assess our work, to make plans and to set goals, to equip our wards, to meet the demands and challenges of an ever-changing world. The first parent-teacher meeting for the parents of the students of Class 10 was held on 18 June 2011. Dr. Mrs. Mandira Singh and Mr. Imran Khan, parents of our former students, were the resource persons. They encouraged and reminded the parents of their duties and responsibilities in taking care of their children. The project's exhibition during the parent-teacher meetings was appreciated by the parents. Infrastructural development. Be not afraid of growing slowly. Be afraid only of standing still. Chinese proverb. It has been our constant endeavor to provide the best services and facilities required for the proper functioning of the institution. In response to the request of the Fire Services Department, fire tenders were installed in the primary and high school blocks. A lift was provided in the primary block to facilitate easy access to all the floors. This was blessed and inaugurated by Reverend Father Swarna Bernard, Parish Priest, St. Joseph's Cathedral, Hyderabad. To meet the demands of uninterrupted power in the computer section and for other functions, a generator set with a capacity of 62 kilovolts was installed. Master P. Varun, General Leader Argonauts, will tell you about the different programs and functions held in our school.
Celebrations and festivals. Leadership and learning are indispensable to each other. Little Flower believes not only in training students to be enduring leaders, but also giving them opportunities to bring out the best in their personality. The investiture ceremony was held on 2nd July 2011, and the newly appointed leaders of the school cabinet took the oath of office in an impressive function. Dr. Akun Sabharwal, IPS, Deputy Commissioner of Police, Central Zone, was the chief guest. Independence Day was celebrated with great patriotic fervor. This day was celebrated as Frespo 2011 with spectacular drill displays and various other eye-catching sports events. Reverend Brother P.T. Joseph was the chief guest on the occasion. Mr. A. Satish Kumar, father of Miss A. Supraja, Sports and Games Secretary Girls, and Dr. H. Rajendra Kumar, father of Master H. Balvanch, Sports and Games Secretary Boys, were the guests of honor. The students celebrated Teachers' Day on 5th September 2011, wherein they expressed their gratitude and love for their dear teachers. On the other hand, teachers too left no stone unturned and showered their love and blessings upon the students on Children's Day, which was celebrated on 14th November 2011. Teachers entertained the students and made them feel special on their day. Christmas celebration began with the true Christmas spirit of sharing and caring. It was held on 3rd December 2011. The morning celebration for the students was followed by the United Carol singing competition in the evening for the schools and colleges of the Twin Cities. Shri Y. Satyanandam, Additional Joint Collector, Hyderabad District, was the chief guest for the occasion. The reunion of the members of Life Loss, Little Flower Old Students Association was held on 8 January 2012. Dr. Rameshwar Rao, Vice Chancellor, JNTU, Mr. Raymond Peter, IAS, Principal Secretary, Government of Andhra Pradesh, and Mr. Arshad Ayub, President, Cricket Association of Andhra Pradesh, our alumni, were felicitated with a citation on this occasion. Now, Ms. A. Supraja, our Sports and Games Secretary Girls, will give an account of the achievements of our students.
Our achievements. Victory belongs to the most persevering. International and national levels. Our budding astronauts have qualified for the Asian finals of the Space Settlement Design Competition, which will be held in New Delhi during the last week of January 2012. Master Syed Mohammad Shah Class 10, Miss A. Tanya Class 10, Master Kartikeya Sharma Class 9, Master A. Anirudh Class 9, Master S. Varshit Class 9, Master Nikhil Malu Class 9, Miss J.S.S. Satya Class 9, Miss D. Mahati Class 9, Master Nikhil Mathur Class 8, Master S.C. Rohit Class 8, Master D.V.S. Avinash Class 8 and Miss T. Ankita Class 8 form the team. In the Montfort Literary and Cultural Competitions held at St. Alphonsus High School, Nalgonda, our school bagged the second place in both the literary and cultural competitions. Our students exhibited an impressive performance and won many prizes. Our gold medalists in the literary competitions are Master Akhilesh Datta Class 10, Miss P. Viseshni Class 10, Master V. Sudhanyu Class 9, Master Kartikeya Sharma Class 9, Miss K. Nikita Class 8, Miss B.T. Chaitra Class 8, Master Nikhil Mathur Class 8, Master D.V.S. Avinash Class 8, Master J. Abhijit Class 7, Master Krishna Satvik Class 7 and Miss Ayushi Verma Class 6. In the cultural competitions, our gold medalists are Master Sachit Kiran Class 10, Miss K. Sahiti Class 8, Miss B.L. Tanuha Class 8, Miss D.L.S. Meghna Class 7, Master P. Sai Hruday Class 6, Master B. Rajiv Class 6, Miss M. Cyrilla Class 6 and Master K. Varanya Class 5. In the National Talent Search Examination, Master V. Sudhanyu of Class 9 bagged a scholarship for his exemplary performance at the state level and national level. Master Kartikeya Sharma Class 9 secured the first place and Master V. Sudhanyu Class 9 secured the fourth place at the state level in the 7th International Informatics Olympiad organized by the Computer Literacy Foundation, New Delhi. Master D.V.S. Avinash Class 8 and Master K. Abhijit Class 7 have won the Bonvita Quiz Contest at the state level and have participated in the All Asia Bonvita Quiz Contest 2012 held at Kolkata. Master P. Saroj Cyril Class 7 was part of the AP team which was placed third in the Table Tennis National Level Team Championship held at Kochi. He has also participated in the North Zone Table Tennis Championship held at Srinagar, National Ranking Table Tennis Championship held at Kutch and DCPL National Ranking Table Tennis Championship East Zone. He has secured the coveted third place in the state in the points table of AP Table Tennis Association for the year 2011. Master C. Manoj Class 8 has participated in the All India Junior Major Ranking Badminton Tournament at the national level. Master Ritik Bura Class 8 was part of the Andhra Pradesh team which was placed second in the National Fencing Team Championship held at Kolkata, West Bengal. Master V. Sudhanyu and Master Kartikeya Sharma of Class 9 have bagged the first prize in the Philately quiz organized by the Department of Posts, Government of India.
In the Australian Chemistry quiz conducted by the Royal Australian Chemistry Institute, our students secure high distinction and distinction certificates. Ms. A. Tanya, Class 10, Master P. Brijesh Rao, Class 10, Master Kartikeya Sharma, Class 9, Master V. Sudhanyu, Class 9, Master S. Varshit, Class 9, Master D.V.S. Avinash, Class 8, and Master P. Neelkant, Class 8 were the students who scored high distinction. Master Anish Yellapantula, Class 10, has passed in merit the Grade 8 piano exam conducted by Trinity College, London.
Literary and cultural events, city level. The teams comprising Ms. K. Aishwarya, Class 9, and Ms. D. Mahati, Class 9, Master B. Sriram, Class 9, Master Varshit S. Class 9, won the first place at the district level in the science exhibition organized by the Department of Education, Government of Andhra Pradesh. The team comprising Master B. Sriram, Class 9, and Master Varshit S. Class 9 are further qualified for the state level. Ms. Chandralekha, Class 6, won the first prize in the quiz competition conducted by Petroleum Reserves Conservation Authority, India. Ms. P. Visheshni, Class 10, won the first prize in the English elocution competition organized by the Lions Club, Secunderabad. Our school choir bagged the first place in the Inter-School College Group Singing competition held at Little Flower Junior College, Uppal. Master D. Sai Charan, Class 9, bagged the first prize in the Telugu essay writing competition organized by the State Central Library, Hyderabad. Master Nikhil Mathur, Class 8, stood first in the drawing and painting competition conducted by Sarvodaya International Trust. Master A. Anirudh, Class 9, won the first prize in the English elocution competition organized by YMCA, Hyderabad. Master R. Abhishek, Class 9, and Master R. Anurag, Class 5, were selected for the Defense Accounts Department educational trip held at Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel National Police Academy. In the TechnoQuest IT quiz, our teams comprising Master Kartikeya Sharma, Class 9, and Master D.V.S. Avinash, Class 8, stood first in the seniors category. Master A. Vandit, Class 7, and Master Thakur Shivang Singh, Class 6, were placed first in the juniors category. Now, Ms. K. Suprita, General Leader Astronauts, will present the sports and games events.
Sports and games, state and district levels. In the AP State Ranking Table Tennis Tournament held at Vijayawada, Master N. Nihal, Class 10, was placed second. Master Taranveer Singh, Class 6, Ms. Rishida Yadav, Class 4, and Ms. Christina Joseph, Class 3, have bagged gold medals in the 6th Asian Sports Jeet Kundedu Championship, Mumbai, organized by the Sports Jeet Kundedu Federation of India. Master M. Karan Bharat, Class 8, secured the second place in the South Zone Junior Sub-Juniors Golf Tour 2011 held at Jayachamaraja Vadiyar Golf Club, Bengaluru. JSS Satya, Class 9, and Ms. V. Vaishnavi, Class 7, secured the first place in basketball in the Inter-District Tournament Cum Selection Trials 2011-2012 organized by the School Games Federation AP held at Matturu, East Godavari District. Ms. P. Elizabeth Caroline, Class 9, won the first prize in 50 meters freestyle, 50 meters backstroke, and 50 meters breaststroke in the Under-17 category in the Inter-District Tournament Cum Selection Trials 2011-2012. Master Paritosh Agarwal, Class 10, won the first place in Under-17 Shuttle Badminton Singles organized by the Hyderabad District Badminton Association. In the Hyderabad District School Games, our students have won several prizes. Master Pratyush Srivastava, Class 8, was placed first in Chess Under-14 category. Master G.V. Vishwanath, Class 10, and Master A. Tarun, Class 9, won the first prize in Shuttle Badminton Doubles Under-17 category. Master Sriram Rati, Class 7, won the second place in roller skating. Master K. Sai Prajwal, Class 5, secured the second place in rifle shooting air gun. Our boys team was placed as second runners-up in the Under-14 Basketball Team Championship. Master D.V. Prajay, Class 9, bagged the first place in 30 meters, 40 meters, 50 meters, and 60 meters in the Under-17 archery competition. He has also qualified for the state level. Master L. Ram Kumar, Class 9, and Master Bhargav Reddy, Class 7, won the first prize in 20 meters and 30 meters archery competition in the Under-17 and Under-14 categories. Master Nihal Dharak, Class 7, won the second prize in roller skating Rink 1 level conducted by the Hyderabad District School Games Federation.
Co-curricular activities. The actions of men are the best interpreters of their thoughts. To instill in the students the importance of co-curricular activities, 1 week each was set aside for the celebration of sports, literary and cultural activities. The Sports Week was held from 1st August 2011 to 5th August 2011 and culminated with the celebration of Frespo 2011. We had the honor of the presence of Mrs. B. Kartika Reddy, former mayor, to administer the oath to our students to ban the use of plastics. A group of 50 students from classes 7 and 8 visited the public gardens and collected specimens for a herbarium as part of a project under the Great Plant Hunt program. A colorful week with the inter-house competitions in fancy dress, rangoli, flower arrangement, vegetable carving, solo dance, mono action, drawing and painting was held in the month of September. Pot painting was introduced for the first time this year. There were several outstanding performances by our students in events like debate, elocution, essay writing, extempore, quiz and GK held during the literary week in the month of September. The NCC camp was attended by the students of classes 8 and 9 at Bison Grounds from 8th to 18th of November. 41 students attended the camp and won prizes for various events conducted there. A campaign was launched to include sports as part of the curriculum by NDTV Nirmal Lifestyle. To promote the theme of the year, Go Green, Save the Earth, the students of 4 houses enthusiastically took part in the plant exhibition competition and a variety of colorful plants were exhibited on that day. A few students of classes 6 to 9 attended the seminar conducted by Scholastic India with renowned children's writer Anushka Ravishankar as the resource person. Miss Mary Ellen, a former astronaut from NASA, interacted with the budding astronauts and aerospace engineers of our school. This was organized by the US Consulate General, Hyderabad. Many students from classes 9 and 10 appeared for the Teenovators 2011 test conducted by National Geographic Channel in collaboration with the Manipal University. On October 2nd, our students participated in an all-religion prayer meeting organized on the occasion of Gandhi Jayanti.
Educational tours. We live in a wonderful world that is full of beauty, charm, and adventure. There is no end to the adventures we can have if only we seek them with our eyes open. Pandit Nehru. In order to make travel an integral part of education, the school organized tours for the students. The students of class 9 were taken to Pune, Panchgani and Mahabaleshwar during the summer holidays in 2011. An excursion for the students of classes 6 to 9 was organized during the Christmas holidays. Reverend Brother M. Joseph, our Vice Principal, accompanied a group of 90 students and 9 teachers on this refreshing tour to Bengaluru, Mysore and Ooty.
Social services. Help one person at a time and always start with the person nearest to you. Mother Teresa. Our students exhibited their generosity on several occasions. They contributed generously towards a social service project, Lifeline. Food grains, oil, soaps and clothes were distributed in the Chedarghat Pin schools. The gift for an unknown friend given on the occasion of Christmas celebrations in our school was distributed to the members of Sneha Nilayam, Home for the Aged at Suryapet, Montfort Nilayam, Ramantapur, Little Sisters of the Poor, New Bonpalli, Chedarghat Pin schools and Missionaries of Charity, Mother's Home.
Trifles make perfection, and perfection is no trifle. Michelangelo. It has always been our endeavor to do our best and achieve perfection in whatever we do. In spite of the unexpected turn of events during this academic year, we are grateful to God for providing us sufficient resilience to face these challenges. We do hope and pray that our God Almighty will bless us abundantly and turn our ventures into perfect masterpieces and make our theme of the year, Go Green, Save the Earth, a reality. We implore upon Him to give us the strength to contribute our might to the cause of education and help us to let our light shine. Thank you.